French is a Romance language of the Indo-European family. It's an official language of 29 countries across multiple continents. So some of the French-speaking countries are France, Algeria, Australia, China, Japan, Switzerland, Canada, Mexico, and many other countries as well. Bonjour friends! So today I'll be teaching you the very basics of French language. So here we go. So the topic for today is les salutations, which means greetings in English. It is spelled as les salutations. Here S is silent in les and S is also silent in salutation. Remember, French is all about pronunciation. You have to be very good in pronunciation while speaking French language. So how you will greet in French? Good morning, good afternoon and good day. You are going to say bonjour. Please don't say bonjour. Please don't say bonjour. It is bonjour. See, it's written here bonjour. You might be thinking that you have to spell it as bonjour, but it is not bonjour, it is bonjour. It is spelled like this, bonjour or bonjour. Please have a look here. The second greeting is good evening. How you are going to say good evening in French? You will say it as bonsoir. It is written B-O-N-S-O-I-R. You will spell it as, or you will pronounce it as bonsoir, bonsoir. The third greeting which is mentioned here is salute, which is informal. You are only going to greet this to your close friends, whom you think they are close to you. So to those people you will say salute. So what is the meaning of salute? It means hi, hello or bye. It is spelled as salute. Please see here. Salute, not salute. It is salute. Cuckoo, which is again an informal greeting which is used for your close friends only. It is not used much nowadays. It is spelled as cuckoo. It is spelled as cuckoo. You can see here. The next greeting is in French is avoir, which also means goodbye in English language. It is spelled as au revoir or au revoir. The next greeting is bonne nuit, which means good night in English. It is spelled as bonne nuit, bonne nuit. You will get more clear with the pronunciation when I'll be teaching you the letters of French. The next greeting is bonne journée, which means have a nice day. It is spelled as bonne journée. The eighth greeting mentioned here is bonne soirée, which means have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. It is spelled or pronounced as bonne soirée. The next greeting is bon après-midi. Which means good afternoon. It is spelled as bon après-midi. Instead of greeting good afternoon by saying bon après-midi, you can simply say bonjour, because bon après-midi is not used nowadays. It is not common. The next greeting in French is à demain, which means see you tomorrow, in English. It is spelled as à demain. The next one is à bientôt, which means see you soon. It is spelled as à bientôt. The next greeting is pour prendre congé. which means to take leave of someone. It is only said when you have to leave from somewhere, you have to go somewhere, then you can use this. But nowadays, this greeting is not used much. So if you want to say thank you very much in French, you will say merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. It is pronounced as merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Next, if you have to say no welcome, how you are going to say no welcome in French? No welcome. You will say it de rien. De rien. De rien. Alright? The next one, if you have to say sorry. If you have to say sorry in French, how you will say? You will say désolé. You will say désolé. 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 Next, if you have to say yes. If you want to say yes, you will say oui. Oui. It is spelled as oui. If you have to say no. If you have to say no, in French, how you are going to say? You will only say no. In French, no is spelled as no only. No. Merci beaucoup. So now you can take a proper screenshot of today's lecture.